Hello viewers, welcome to ABC High Tech Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to convert a binary number to an octal number system. Let's first discuss about what is binary number system and octal number system and why to convert the binary number to an octal number system. Basically, binary number system is the simplest number system and has the base value 2. That is, it uses only two digits of 0 and 1. Since digital electronics also have only these two states, either 0 or 1, binary number system is used in computers. Whereas octal number system has the base value 8, that is, it uses 8 distinct digits from 0 to 7. And since octal number system provides a convenient way of converting large binary numbers into more compact groups, binary numbers are converted into octal number system. There are two methods available to convert a binary number into an octal number system. They are direct method and indirect method. In direct method, the given binary number is converted into octal form directly by grouping the bits. Whereas in indirect method, the given binary number is first converted into decimal number system and then from decimal to octal conversion takes place. Since here in this method, binary number is converted into octal form indirectly, this method is known as indirect method. Now, let's discuss about how this conversion process takes place from binary to decimal using indirect method with an example. So, in the first step, the given binary number is converted into decimal form. So, to convert the binary number to decimal form, every digit of the binary number has to be multiplied by its weight. Let's discuss about how weights are assigned to every digit of the given binary number. In this table, in the first row, every digit of the given binary number is written in the first row, and in the second row, the position of every digit is written, and in the third row, the weight of every digit is specified. Here, the digit which is at the rightmost direction, its position is 0, and this position value is increasing towards left direction. And weight for every digit is assigned by raising the radix to its position. For example, for this digit, its position is 0. So by raising the radix to its position, we can get the weight of this digit. Very similarly, for every other digit also, by raising the radix to its position, we can get its weight. Now, we can assign these weights to convert the binary number to decimal number system. So, in this first step, so every digit in the binary number is multiplied by its weight, and in the second step, the two power values are converted into equivalent decimal number, and in the third step, we are ready to add up all the values. If we add all these values, we can get 351, which is the decimal equivalent value for the given binary number. And in the next step, now we can convert the given decimal number to octal number system. To convert the decimal to octal number system, the given decimal number has to be successively divided by the radix of the number system to which it has to be converted. That is, radix of the octal number system is 8. That's why this decimal number has to be divided by its radix 8. Okay, so this process has to be continued until the remainder values becomes smaller than the base value. Since we got 5, which is smaller than the base value 8, with this step we can stop this process. So now we have to accumulate all the reminders, and while collecting these reminders, the direction of collecting these reminders is very important. It has to be collected from down to upward direction. This is very important. Okay, so now we got the octal equivalent value for the given binary number. Let's now discuss about direct method in which binary to octal conversion takes place directly by grouping. So this process is carried out in two steps. In first step, the given binary number is partitioned into group of 3 bits from right to left. Here we should know the reason for grouping of 3 bits. The reason for this is that the base of binary number is 2 and the base of octal number is 8, which is equivalent to 2 power 3. That's why whenever a binary number is converted into octal form, the given binary number has to be partitioned into group of 3 bits, and this grouping has to be done from right to left direction. After making group, its corresponding octal digits can be assigned to each group of bits. So now let's convert the given binary number into octal form using direct method. This is the given binary number. It has to be converted into octal form. As given in the first step, let's partition the given binary number into 3 bits from right to left direction. If you partition it, we will get 3 groups and each group contains 3 bits. Now we can assign its corresponding octal digit to each group of bits. Here in this table, octal equivalent value for every group of bit is given. So this octal equivalent value is assigned based on the weight of the bit present in the group. So if we take this group, none of the bit is present, that's why its octal value also 0. And if we take this group, the bit in the 0th position is present, that is its weight is 1. That's why its octal value is 1. And let's take this group. Here 2 bits are present. So these bits are in the position 0 and 1, and hence its weight are 1 and 2. So to get its octal equivalent value, its weight has to be added. That is, to know the octal value of the group which contains 0, 1, 1, for that we have to add 2 plus 1. So if we add the weight of 1, 1, that is 2 plus 1, it is equivalent to 3. That is the octal equivalent value for the group which contains 0, 1, 1. Very similarly, if we take this group in which all the 3 bits are present, hence we have to add all the weights of all the 3 digits. Okay, if we add the weights of all the 3 digits, we will get 7, octal value 7. So like this, octal value can be assigned based on the weight of the digit present in the group. Here now let's apply this octal value to every group. So now what is the octal value for the group which contain 3 ones? So its octal value is 7. So hence we can assign octal value 7 to the group which contains 111. Similarly, for the group which contains 0, 1, its octal value is 3. So that can be assigned for the second group, and the third group 101, for that octal value is 5. So hence this group is assigned with 5. So now we have converted the given binary number into equivalent octal value. So in this video we have learnt how to convert the binary number into octal number system using direct method and indirect method. Viewers, if you found this video useful in any way, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.